Okay, everyone, can pulling the fire alarm for fun be deadly? The answer to that question is yes, it can be. Why? Because if you pull the fire alarm for fun and there is a real emergency somewhere else, you are causing the fire department to respond to your false fire alarm that you pulled, and there could be a real emergency somewhere else. And the fire department, they could not be at that real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm. Because of you, those people are dying. And that is not okay at all. Also, if this keeps happening, people will ignore the alarm and assume it is another false alarm. But one day, the building will catch on fire and everyone will die because they didn't believe the alarm was real. So, this is why false alarms are deadly. And you can get into very serious trouble if you pull a false fire alarm. So do not pull a fire alarm unless there is a real emergency, or if you have permission to, or if you have your own alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department. But if it is not for those reasons, you don't pull fire alarms ever, because pulling a false fire alarm is very deadly and it is a very serious felony which will get you arrested. So do not ever do that. It is not funny. It is not funny to put someone else's life at risk. It is not funny to put your own life at risk. It is not funny to waste the fire department's time, and it is not funny to ignore a fire alarm. So think of that before you cause a false alarm. Fire alarms are not a joke. They are meant to be taken very seriously, and under zero circumstances should they be messed with. These are not toys. These were meant to save people's lives. But with too many false alarms, people will die because they will not believe that the alarm is real. So, never cause a false alarm. Ever. Goodbye.